In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage line spacing in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want your website text to look cleaner, easier to read, and more professional, adjusting line spacing can make a big difference. Line spacing controls the vertical space between lines of text, and even a small change can improve the overall look of a paragraph or heading. In Hostinger Website Builder, this is a quick adjustment once you know where to find it. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. After you're in, go to your website dashboard so you can access the site you want to edit. This is the main place where you manage your website settings and content, so if you have more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Next, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your site is listed and where editing options are available. From there, click Edit Website to open the Hostinger Website Builder editor. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all of your page elements clearly and avoid clicking the wrong section by mistake. Once you're inside the editor, locate the specific text you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or another text block on your page. It helps to click carefully and make sure you've selected the exact text element you want to work on, especially if there are multiple text sections close together. After selecting the text, click the three dots that appear in the editing options. This menu usually contains additional formatting controls that are not shown right away. Inside this menu, you'll find the option to adjust the line spacing. Now, adjust the line spacing to the look you want. If the lines feel too crowded, increase the spacing slightly to give the text more breathing room. If the text feels too spread out, reduce it a bit for a tighter appearance. Try to make changes gradually so the result stays balanced and easy to read. This is especially important for longer paragraphs, where readability matters most. As you adjust the spacing, keep an eye on how the text looks within the overall page design. Good line spacing should match the style of your site and help visitors read comfortably without distracting from the content. And that's how to manage line spacing in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing other parts of your page as needed.